So the most important things that I've learned from this subject is being a good person. It's not just about knowing what is right, but actually practicing it in real life. So I realized that virtue is something we build through our actions every day, not just about something we talk about. So the one concept that I really stayed with me is the idea of balance or the middle ground. It taught me that too much or too little of something can build be wrong, and that I should always try to find the right amount in my action. So for example, is being confident can become arrogant, while too little confident become insecurity. So I should always aim to the right balance. I also learned that our decisions should be guided by reason, not just emotion. So sometimes feeling can be strong, but this subject taught me to think first before acting. So because of this subject, I can say I can say that my way of thinking has changed. Before I would easily react based on my emotion, especially when I'm angry, stressed, or even I excited. So I didn't always think about what the consequences of my action, but now I try to be more aware of myself. I started asking myself question like kanang, is this the right thing to do, or I am being too much or too little? So in these situations, this helped me become more patient and more understanding toward other people. So I also become more responsible for my actions because I know that my choices reflect who I am as a person. It also changed how I see others, and I try not to judge them quickly because I understand that everyone is also trying to find their own balance. So this learning helped me to improve not just my behavior but also my attitude in life. So and also in real life, I will apply this learning in many ways in school. So I will use them by being more responsible with my tasks, managing my time, and also respecting my classmates and teachers. And I will avoid being too lazy or too pressure, and instead to find my balance. So in my studies or and my in my relationship, whether my family or friend, I will practice patient understanding, and I will to avoid extreme reactions like getting too angry or ignoring problem, and instead kanang handling my situations calmly and wisely. So for my personal growth, I will continue my to improve myself by practicing and habit, and also making better decisions every day. And I know that change doesn't happen over time, but I will willing to grow step by step, and I will always remind myself to act with reason, maintain balance, and choose the right. So through this I believe that I can become a better version of myself because all of this kanang it's make myself kanang being a good person, and also I can see myself a better person because I always kanang right now I always using a kanang right decision every time before I act. So and also it can help myself to be respectful with others, and to kanang I know that kuan myself is changed because this subject. And also I hope that these subjects can help more people or more students in order to them to understand what the what ethics is all about, and that's all.